people who work under you are not there, that work is not done. Even if head operations are not there, still the work moves ahead because of people working under you. Correct? So it is very important to spend some time with them. And for what? To inspire them. That is more important. And what is the second 33% which is talking about with whom you have to spend some time? Circle. People who are of your level. You feel like you can talk anything and everything. And after a few years also you meet them, you can still start the topic where you have stopped some years ago. There are few people like that, right? It could be your cousins, or sometimes it could be completely different people. Sometimes it could be like a different language speaking people. I've got a couple of friends from different countries. They still, after 5-6 years when we talk about things which we have done before 5 years. So it is more important to spend our time to get inspired and also to inspire others. So today the theme is that I want you to take to home, each of your home, is that inspire others and also get inspired. Inspiration is something like not one way, it is a two-way junction. So it comes to you and also you have to pass it on. Yeah? What is the last 33% rule with whom we have to spend? Yeah. So they are the people who are older to you, or it could be like, heads over you, or it could be like who are experienced than you. Sometimes it happens like they may be younger than you, but they are in a higher position. Yeah? But still we have to spend some time. It is not very easy with this level of people because we have to take their commands and instructions. Sometimes we may not agree with those instructions, it's a little tough, but still it is very important. So these three criteria people, our entire world is filled with these criteria people. So we have to make sure that we are giving our ample of time to get inspired and also to inspire others, that we are spending equal time. And also there is a successful thing which I wanted to share. This is the last one. Ms. Vishya, I'm again sending it to you.
Okay.
Take, that's a PDF, and then you may have to open it. Or what you can do is maybe you can share these things with everybody. She practices gratitude, she gets goals and sticks to them. She minimizes distractions, she prioritizes the most important task first. Very good. Thank you so much, Amreen Begum, for being very interactive. I think she is the one who answered my all questions. In a row, 3 questions. So thank you so much for reading. So these points are really very important. We as women, many times we forget what we are and we tend to look at others thinking that when will I become like that? But every individual human being is being created with a purpose and we all are unique. Nobody can copy others. Only we can get inspired and we can be more creative and we can come out with a different output, believing and thinking that this is what I am. Like there are very famous humans on earth. Do you guys have any favorite celebrity women or successful celebrity women? Anybody have any favorites? It's the interaction time. Anybody can answer. Do you have anybody who is like your favorite? Only women, huh? Only females.
Celebrity women.
Yes, Monica.
Yeah.
Yes, Monica. Tell me.
Like celebrity woman, but I can say one thing. She's not a celebrity.
Okay.
I can say about my grandmother, because when I was in age of 6 years old, it's like a cyclone of something else. I don't know, but no one have eat food for 600 people. I think almost 10 days. My grandmother with her own money, 600 people for 10 to 15 days with her own money.
She's really inspiring. Thank you so much for sharing that experience, Monica. Wonderful. What is your grandmother's name?
Sorry, I didn't get
what is your grandmother's name?
Raja Ratnam, but she is no more.
But still we remember her. So she still lives in our memories and she is still inspiring us.
She didn't take a single rupee for from anyone, but 15 days or 10 days I can remember 600
inspiring personality. Don't you all agree? So that way, everybody needs to have an inspiring person. Thank you so much, Monica, for sharing that experience. Everybody needs to have one person. And we don't want it to be themselves. We don't want to be their twin or copy of them or exactly like that. So we wanted to take those points and can we do something else similar to that? Now I don't ask you all to feed for 600 people. At that point of time, she's a great female, she did it. What can we do in a little limitation also? What can we do? That's how our inspiration should be. So we need to have both without any distraction. Yeah? Let's see now, from 6 to 15 points, who can read? Anybody? Yes, somebody is reading. 6 to 15 points. Okay. I would like to highlight one of the things that is number 10. In the 10, if you see, she makes time to get her life organized. No matter what you do, how you do, but organizing skill is very important. What if you're cooking and your entire kitchen is in a mess? Nobody would like to eat that food. But you have cooked and you have cleaned the kitchen, then everybody would like to have it. And if this is what I will do, it's well. Yeah, it is organized, it is well. Yes, organizing is more important. Then you can save time, you can save resources, and also you can be successful in completing 100%. If you're not organized, maybe for example, if I'm doing an artwork, and if I'm not organized, I will look for a scissors for 1 hour, maybe it is just under my paper. You see what? I have killed a lot of time just because I'm not organized. And I may be looking for some 2 or 3 colors and the colors are missing because I'm not organized. Or I go to a competition and then I fail the competition just because I have not prepared well. I'm not organized. I'm not carrying everything what I need. So organizing is very important. No matter what you are, you may be a parent, a mother, or a teacher, or maybe you are a working person. Whatever we do, just like our house, we need to be very organized. That point is really very important to get inspired and to also share the inspiration. Example, nobody would come and tell you every day that, oh, you do very well. But people do look at you and then your actions speak better than your words. They will think, okay, one name comes up. For example, there is a name like Mrs. Vijaya. Okay, Mrs. Vijaya, she is very organized. They may talk about her. When 3 people are talking, that is more important. Or they may feel like, okay, if you ask her, there is something, she knows, like, she would sit here and she would tell you, like, go to the second room and then check the third shelf and then pull out a drawer and then there you find the book. So an organized person, the way they talk, the confidence level they have, everything is to the top level, clean level. So organizing is more important. Like for example, I'm not just reading a script now when I'm talking to you. But don't you think so that I have prepared a little bit before I was talking to you? Otherwise, I may talk something else, and then maybe my meaning was something different. So organizing involves a lot of preparation. Like a couple of hours ago, I was just looking at all of you, and then I was like, how beautifully you have created many different activities. That itself shows that, most of the rangolis, what you have done, I cannot do it. I don't even know. So you have inspired me. Okay, I have a learning subject that I still have to learn. Rangoli is what I was thinking. So each day, every day, you need to be a learner and you need to have a goal that what am I going to learn today and what is my new goal today. That should push you forward. Yeah. There are some last points after 15. If you come to the third slide, that is from 16 to 21. Anybody would like to volunteer to read?
She makes time for herself.
Thank you, Shravya.
She communicates clearly.
Good.
She is financially savvy.
Very good.
She is a good listener. She is not afraid of failure. She loves the journey more than the result.
Wonderful. Last 2 points are really important for any successful person. a successful person today may have failed more than 100 times. You all know about Einstein, right? He failed some thousands of times just to make one invention. We all know about, and it's like a journey. In the way, on the way when you're going, or in the life journey, you may encounter many things. That could be sometimes few things may cause you sadness, few things may cause pain, and few other things are there. They will give you extremely happiness, and there'll be some moments where you will get inspired and can also inspire others. So those things are more important. So I want you all to have a very successful day today, and I suggest you just live your life like a Women's Day every day, not just one. Get inspired every day, not just one, and also inspire others every day, not just one. You all have a lovely future and all the best for your future endeavors. And I am always approachable. If you guys want my phone number, you can take. You can text with me, and I'm always available. Not just a message on me. I may be not available on call due to my work schedules, but if you want my WhatsApp number, you can take from Gia, and you can talk to her. It was wonderful meeting you all. I really got inspired by each of you. Thank you so much for taking a part. Thank you so much for inviting me. It was just so nice to meet you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am, for sharing
your
with us.
inspirational words. And the stories, whatever you have taught, were very inspirational. So whatever we forgot in our daily lives, being busy in our works, household work and other works, office work. So you given a different speech, and we are out of that, and we realize what we have to think of in future.
Very nice. Is it Sirisha who said that? Sirisha has mentioned a very wonderful point. I suggest you, if you really feel that you got inspired by me, call me Asha. Don't call me ma'am. I'm also Gaga Madhu. I would love to be like a friend rather than, ma'am is a word which would throw you miles apart. I don't want to do that. I want to be here, close to your heart. Please call me Asha. Feel free to talk to me. You can take my number from message here.
Let me grab this opportunity of calling you as Asha. Thank you, Asha, for making this event very brighter with your experiences and inspirational words and talks, and your 21 successful secrets you have revealed to us. Definitely it will inspire us. You are a living inspiration, and definitely it is going to inspire us all, and we promise that we will take this ahead. We believe definitely we all are successful, all our women are successful, but still we have a long way to go, and we have to inspire others as well. Most of us, they have to get inspired, and we have to, like, when we have lift each other, then only we will be ahead in life. Thank you, Asha, for sharing this platform with us today. It was great having you here. Lovely
And
time.
I'm going to see that coach. Please, thank you very much.
Definitely, all our MFK parents will have such exposure to many good people and inspiring personalities. Ma'am, so please, you have to stay tuned with us. Thank you, Asha.
Sure.